Hi friends, now we are using Ubuntu OS. In the Ubuntu, we forgot the password of the user. For this, I will show you how to reset the password in the Ubuntu. For this, you need to restart your laptop. While restart, press the Shift and Escape button to go to the recovery mode. Then select Advanced Options for Ubuntu and select the second option called Recovery Mode. Enter. Wait for few seconds. It will start the recovery mode. Here need to select the root option, press enter. Here it is asking for press enter for maintenance. Press enter. Here need to type on command. Command is there. Need to type mount -o space remount comma space rw space slash. Need to type the command like this and press enter. Now the type password and need to type your laptop username. My laptop username is cloud. Like this I am typing. In your laptop you need to type your login name. Press enter. Now it is asking the new password. Now I type my new password. Enter. It is asking the retype new password. Press enter. Now password updated successfully. Now the password has been changed. Now press exit. Then Control Alt Delete button to restart. Okay. This is my username cloud. Yes. Now the login